For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to show you how to do the weather and actually show the weather physically, what it's doing outside on your home screen. Okay, so right now it's sort of clear out where I'm living, so this is probably a bad time to do the video, but I want to show you how to do it, and guarantee and take my word for it, it will work. It just worked a little while ago, and as you can see my weather at the top of my screen, it's 69 and clear out. So I wish it was raining like it was about 2 hours ago, but it's not, so you'll have to take my word on this, how to do it. So a little bit of background. I have the Galaxy Samsung S26 Ultra. This will work on a lot of the lower ended phones and tablets, the 25, the 24, the tablets. Now, I am using One UI 9.0 Beta 2, so there might be some variations to how this works, but it's all the same principles. Okay, and how you have to do it, we'll lay this out just briefly on what we need to do. You need to get a picture. You need to take that picture and use that for your weather background screensaver. Okay, so first off, let's dig right in. What I like to do is I don't want to make a background that's a person or something like that. We all have our personal preferences. I like stuff like this. So let's dig into this on how we make it. So go to Wallpaper and Style, change Wallpaper, and then Create with AI. And I go to Generative, and then these are the different ones you can create. And here, in fact, that is my last one that I created. So start off by creating a background, a wallpaper, just anything you want. It doesn't matter. You can make it your own. You can select a wallpaper. I like to make mine generative. Then what I do is, since you can't use this unless it's in a file format or a picture, I'll take a screenshot of it. Then of course I crop it and make it to what I want, and then that's the gallery picture for that screenshot, that website. I'm sorry, wallpaper, not website. Wow. Okay, so there's my wallpaper. That's step one to get your wallpaper. Okay, so now we're going to go into Galaxy AI, and then we're going to go to Weather Wallpaper. Now this doesn't do anything, but it explains to you what you need to do. So based on default location in the Weather app, Weather Wallpaper uses AI to change your own photo to sunny, raining, or snowing, depending on the local weather, and to adjust the look for morning, midday, evening, and night. These effects can take time to start showing while your photo is analyzed. Works best with outdoor photos taken during the day. Well, of course, mine's being taken at night, and it's of a photo, it's of a screenshot of a AI generated wallpaper. So doesn't matter. You can set this as your wallpaper in Settings, Wallpaper, and Style, and change wallpapers. Okay, so let's go back and do that. So let's go to Wallpaper and Style. So there's what I have right now. And we're going to go change wallpapers. And this one right here, Create with AI, and we're going to do weather. Now there's my screenshot that I took. Okay, that's snowing. It's obviously not snowing here. Okay, there we go. You can actually see it now. It must start raining again. Okay, now it's back to snow. Put That's okay. We're going to hit, there it is. So it's actually raining. So we're going to hit done. And then when I turn the power off, it stopped recording. So can't turn the power off, but you got the idea. You can see what it does. It puts the weather over the wallpaper. So if it's raining, snowing, thunderstorm, all kinds of neat different graphics, it's going to put that on the wallpaper. And that's how you do it. I took it a step further because I like that wallpaper. You can do any wallpaper that you have a photo of, but in order to get that, like we just went through, you have to take a screenshot. First you make it, then you take a screenshot of it. Now you have your wallpaper picture that you can then turn into a weather. So it's pretty neat, pretty unique. I like things like that that sets the phone apart from other phones. So I have a unique wallpaper and then the effect of the weather on it. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.